Hello dear student, now we are in the class 6 chapter number 1 part number 16. Our lesson is knowing our numbers, and here we will see the topic according to your textbook, Roman numerals. So let's start the actual tutorial. So Roman numbers that particularly used in the watch, if you have observed. So one of the early system of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places, for example in the watch, you can say in clock, and in school timetable. If you observe, there also Roman numbers are there. If you are going into the classroom, you observe upside plate is there also mostly Roman numbers are there. So it is used in most of the places. So Roman numerals, these are nothing but, if you specify, as you are already aware about the 1 to 10, so you keep in mind this table, you fix it in your mind. 1 is nothing but I, 2, then 3, IV is 4, V is 4, VI is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are all numbers, and this is followed by 11 for XI and 12, here 12, and then X is nothing but 20. So right now maybe you are having some confusion, so we will clear your doubt. So this table you keep in mind. One more table is there, and the third table is very important, this one. So this table you have to memorize first. This I is nothing but 1. This V is nothing but 5. X is nothing but 10. L is 50. C 100, D 500, M 1000. So 1, 5, 10 you can easily remember. How you will remember this 50, 100, 500? LCD. This word you remember. LCD means we commonly use in computer this word. TV also LCD types are there, monitor. So L start with 50, so C will be double 100, and D you have to remember it is not 200, it is 500. So in this way you can remember LCD. M is the last value, that is 1000. So 1 means I 1 times 1, I 2 times 2, I 3 times 3. You can easily remember, but any symbol is repeated maximum 3 times, not more than 3. IV is the new symbol for you. V means it is nothing but 5. V is 5. So if you write left hand side small number, then it is subtracted. So 5 minus 1, 4. Here V is nothing but 5. You can easily remember. 6 means V, and right hand side I is there. So whenever smaller number is there in right hand side, it is added to the bigger number. So 5 plus 1, 6. Same way here we have two number to the bigger number. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Here 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. Here Ix is 9, because 10 minus 1, 9. And here it is already the symbol of 10. The rule for the Roman system: if the symbol is repeated, its value added. For example, if you write 2 times I 2, 2 times X 20, 3 times X 30. A symbol is not repeated more than 3. As I already told you, VLD are never repeated. This is only once. VLD symbol comes only once. If the symbol smaller value is written to the right hand of the symbol of greater, if the smaller is there to the right hand side, it is added, like 5 plus 1, 6. Here 10 plus 2, 12. And here 50 plus 10 plus 5 is 65. If it is like that. Next rule is, if the symbol of smaller value is written to the left, means like IV. So here this is bigger number. So 5 minus 1, 4. Here IX means 10 minus 1, 9. XL. So value of L is 50, and then minus 10, that is 40. XC. XC means C value is 100, and this is smaller value. So minus 10 is 90. The symbol VLD never written to the left hand side of the number. VLD are never subtracted. The value I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M, C. Now you can get difficulty to remember this, but when you solve exercise, I will tell you the tricks for solving example. That time you will not have any confusion. So this is the table. It's very important for you. You have to memorize this. 1 to 10. You can easily remember. If you don't know, you should remember that. 1, 2, 3 means here 1I, 2I, 3I. IV means this is V is nothing but 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. This is already for 5. because you observe in this table 6 is vi, v means 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, because I smaller value is there, then it is added if it is there in the right hand side. 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, here 10, this symbol is for 10, so 10 minus 1 9, 10 you have to remember this. Next one bigger number is 20, means 10 plus 10. If the number is 2 digit, you have to divide that number, so 20 is nothing but 10 plus 10, so it is 2 times. 30 means 10 is written 3 times, so 3x are there. Now 40 you cannot, 10 cannot you write 4 times, because I told you symbol is repeated only for 3 times, so 40 is nothing but 50 minus 10. For 50 there is a number of L, we learn LCD, L start with 50, so 50 minus 10 you will do for getting 40, so we written x. L is already 50, then LX, 50 plus 10, 60 means 50 plus 10, so 50 L, and then right hand side you write x, so it is 50 plus 10. Whenever you do addition, you write number to the right hand side. Next one is 50 plus 10 is 70, then this one is quite easy, after L you write 3x, so it will nothing but 80. 90 means 100 minus 10, you can remember this, if it is closer to 100 it is 100 minus 10. 100 means C, so we have to subtract 10, so here you write x. Then 100 you can easily remember, it is nothing but C. 200 means 100 plus 100, so C will be 2 times, C will be 3 times because 100 is coming 3 times. 500 minus 100 means for 500 which number is there? D. So D you write first, and then for subtracting 100 you write left hand side C, because C is nothing but 100. 500 is nothing but D, and 600 is 500 plus 1000. So D is for 500 plus 100 means C. DCC means this one, 500 plus 100 plus 100. Then 3 times 100, so after D 3 times C. 900 means 1000 minus 100. So 1000 means M. So 1000 minus 100 means C you will do, because C is nothing but 100. So I just go into the previous slide. So here you should remember this concept. Okay, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Examples of Roman numbers. If you got this table, we can easily solve the example. So this table I am just telling you, you should remember anyhow, otherwise you cannot solve the exercise. So here example 1, we will directly take bigger number 1984. First you have to write, you have to distribute that number. So 1984 is nothing but 1900 plus 80 plus 4, and then 1000 you write as it is. Why? Because for 1000 ready-made M is there. 900 means 1000 minus 100. 80 means 50 plus 10 plus 10. Why we done with 50? Because for 50 already ready-made L is there. You cannot do 100 minus 20. Okay, because any symbol is repeated maximum 3 times. So here you do, whenever 80 is there, 70 is there, you do with plus 50. 10 times 3 times 10, then 4 you write as it is. Now I will show you how you can get the Roman number here. So I take the pen here for your understanding. So 1000 is there, so 1000 is nothing but M. Got it? Next number 1000 minus 100. So first you write M, then minus 100. Minus 100 means it is nothing but C. So C you write here. Then 50. 50 is nothing but L. And you have to add 3 times 10. So it is nothing but 3 times X. Then last one is 4. 4 is nothing but IV, because 5 minus 1. So we check the answer. You compare this MCM L 3 times X IV. So in this way you can solve any exercise. Second example 1 2 3. It can be written like 100 plus 20 plus 3. 100 as it is we are writing, because for 100 already we have the number. 20 means 10 plus 10 and 3 as it is. So now I show you how you can get the answer here. So 100 means which number you will use? C. 20 means 10 plus 10, so 2 times X. 3 means 3 times I. We will cross check the answer. Yeah, it is correct. Next one is third one. 195 means 100 plus 90 plus 5. So it can be written 100 as it is, 90 means 100 minus 10, and 5 as it is. So again I tell you the explanation. 100 means C. 100 minus C means first you write 100 minus C means this side you write 10. So it is 90. 5 is nothing but this number. Again we will cross check CX CV. Next exercise is 999. So it is 900 plus 90 plus 9. 900, for that special symbol not there, so 1000 minus 100. 90 means 100 minus 10 plus 9. Now we solve that. 1000 means you write M minus 100. So this side you write the number, minus 100 means C, and then plus 100. 100 means which symbol is there? C. Minus 10 means here you write X, and then 9 is which number? IX. Up to 10 you should remember that, it is better for you. CMXC IX. So our answer is correct. Going into the next slide, we have to solve right in Roman numerals. 73 can be written like 70 plus 3. So it is nothing but 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. So now again we will see the explanation. 50 means what? Which number will be there? L, because it starts with L. L means 50, C means 100. 10, you already expert now in that. 2 times 10 means if you are doing addition, do it at right hand side. 3 means 3 times I will be there. Cross check the answer. Next number is 90. It is nothing but 90 plus 2. So here 100. So here 90 means 100 minus 10 and plus 2. So 100 means C, minus 10 is there, so it is, you have to subtract like that. 2 means 2 times I. So our answer is correct. Next one is write the Roman numeral 69 and 98. 69 is nothing but 60 plus 9. So 50 plus 10 plus 9. We will solve that. 50 means L and plus 10 is there, so right here, sorry, whenever you add you have to write to the right hand side of number. 9 means nothing but IX. We will check. Yeah, correct. LXIX. Next one is 98, nothing but 90 plus 8. So 90 is written as 100 minus 10 plus 8. We will solve that. 100 means C, minus 10, right to the left hand side 10. 8 means V, 5, and then for adding 3, as I suggest you, you should know up to 10. So 8 is there, means for 5 already symbol is there. Okay, if you don't know, then 8 is 5 plus 3. So add 3 to the right hand side. But here my suggestion is for you, you should know up to 10 so that calculation will be easy for you. So here I hope friend you understood this, and this is the answer. You can cross check, and just subscribe my channel and share also if you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thank you.